Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today I'm doing a video that makes me super excited and I'm also kind of dreading. We're going to be talking about this Super Shock Shadow Vault from ColourPop. It's called Is This Real Life? And it's launching today. I'm going to try my best to get this video up before the actual launch time. It's supposed to go live on the ColourPop website on November 26th, which is my birthday, at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're in another time zone and you're not sure what time that is, just give it a little Google and you should be able to easily figure out what the launch time is. I'm super excited because I love Super Shock shadows. You can tell by my collection behind me here. I've also done lots and lots of videos about Super Shocks. I'm gonna leave a few of those linked down in the description box below. So if you want any more information about the formula and just Super Shock shadows in general, make sure you check out my description box. I will leave a bunch of info there for you. The reason that I am not 100% ecstatic about this video is because all of the Super Shocks have this really cute design printed into them, and as soon as I swatch them, I'm gonna start messing up the design, but you're worth it to me. This Super Shock Volt is going to be priced at $99 US. I know that's expensive. $99 is a lot of money. However, I do think that this Vault is a good value because it contains 25 Super Shock shadows. These are all brand new shades. And when sold individually, the Super Shock shadows are $5 each. So buying 25 Super Shock shadows would be $125. So $99 is a good value. The Vault does come packaged in this big heavy-duty cardboard box. This does not have a magnetic closure, but I don't know if you can tell, there's a little lip here on the lid and it fits into the box. So it does stay decently securely closed, but this does not have a magnetic closure or any kind of fastening other than that little cardboard lip. In keeping with their holiday collection, there is this really beautiful holographic text on the front. It says, "Is this real life?" Some little clouds printed along the side here. And then on the back, you'll see all the shade names for the Super Shocks. The shade names are also printed inside the box next to the shadows. There are no matte or satin shades in here. These are all ultra metallic or ultra glitter formula. Before I swatch these, I want to show you close-ups of the pans undisturbed. Like I mentioned, these all have special prints. There are 9 shades that have these little symbols printed into the top. Millennium, Above the Clouds, Floating, Left on Thread, Sleep Tight, Illusional, Shook Up, Shy Guy, Rest More. There are 6 shades that all share the same printing. It's just like a little sparkly star print. Rainbow Connection, Ice Dream, Snooze, Voila, In Access, Dream Lover. There are 5 split pan Super Shocks, Moon and Swoon, Nix and Nox, or Nex and Nox. The sticker is different than what's printed in the box. Miss and Bliss, Dawn and Fawn, Days and Phase. Lastly, there are 5 tie-dye Super Shocks. This is sort of a throwback. ColourPop released some tie-dye shades. I want to say it was like 2 or 3 years ago. So tie-dyes are back. There are 5 in this set. Chase the Light, Dozing Off, Thought Bubble, Take Me Higher, Nocturnal. Now it's time for the swatches. I'm gonna swatch all of these shades on the back of my hand with no primer down first. I am gonna do finger swatches for the ultra metallic and ultra glitter shades. I highly recommend that you apply these with your finger. So finger swatches are what we're going with. For all the split pans, I will swatch the two shades separately and I'll indicate which ones those are while I'm going through all the swatches. Okay, let's do this. Here's the top row of Super Shocks from the Vault. The very first shade is one of the split pans. This is Moon and Swoon, Chase the Light, Rainbow Connection, Millennium, and Above the Clouds. Here's the second row from the Vault. First up is Ice Dream, Floating. This is a split pan, NYX and Nox, Dozin' Off, and Snooze. On to the third, the middle row from the Vault. First we have Voila. This is Left on Thread or Left on a Thread. The box and the actual sticker on the Super Shock say different things. Sleep Tight. Here we have a split pan, Miss and Bliss, and lastly, Thought Bubble. Here is the fourth row of Super Shocks from the Vault. First we have Illusional. Next is a split pan shadow, Fawn and Dawn, Take Me Higher, In Axis, and Dream Lover. Very last row of swatches here. First is Shook Up, Nocturnal, Shy Guy, Rest More, and then a split pan, Phase and Daze. A lot of people have been asking on Instagram if these shades are going to be sold individually as single Super Shock shadows. I do not believe that is the case. I think these are only going to be sold exclusively in this Vault. Who knows, ColourPop might change their mind because so many people have been asking for it. But as far as I know right now, these shades are only available as part of this entire Is This Real Life collection. I know $99 is a lot of money. That's a lot of money to spend on makeup. That's a lot of money to spend on anything. I really think that this particular item is more of a collector's item, or this would be a great gift. My husband says that it's really intimidating to buy makeup for me, even though I'm a makeup lover and that's something that I really love to get. I love to try. But he often says that he's intimidated by gifting makeup to me because he doesn't know what I already have. So this would be the perfect gift for the makeup lover in your life because these are all brand new. You can guarantee they do not already have this. When it comes to these large collections of items, just like the Flying Colors Lip Vault, I suggest that if you are a makeup lover, a ColourPop lover, a collector, then perhaps it would be a good idea to get a couple of your makeup loving friends and all chip in to buy this, and then you can split up the shadows. That way you all get to try these new shades, the cool new prints and split pans, but you don't have to go all out and be stuck with 25 new shades if you know you're not going to use them all and you just simply can't afford that much. I think it would be really fun to chip in on this with a couple of friends, and then you could all test the shades together and split them up however you want. Then you get new makeup and you get an excuse to hang out and play with makeup with your friends. I would love to hear what you think about this Super Shock Shadow collection. Leave a comment, let us know which shades were your favorites. Will you be purchasing this today? As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow, that was way more complicated than it needed to be. I have a Band-Aid. It's a Paw Patrol Band-Aid because I have a 4-year-old and that's the reality of it. 25 Super Shock. Really? Really? I don't want to swatch them. They're so pretty. Can you imagine if I was just like, okay, never mind, no swatches, bye, and just ended the video? I'd have like 1,000 thumbs down. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just kidding. Or am I? Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. Do you think I could get demonetized for singing the Paw Patrol song? Probably. Swatch time. Okay, pull it together. Now you're just stalling because you don't want to swatch them. I already took a bunch of pictures of them. You know I did that. Here we have a spit pan. No. What? What are you talking about? It's my birthday. I know once you get to be a certain age, it's socially unacceptable to tell people that it's your birthday, but I reject that premise. That's that.